Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mitsubishi Mirage G4. First, always make sure your vehicle is in either park or neutral for automatic transmissions, or fully depress the clutch for manual models. Next, please fasten your seat belt. Then, firmly depress the brake pedal with one foot. Finally, ensure the parking brake is applied. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and successful engine start every time. For those with a traditional key ignition, the process is straightforward. Begin by inserting your key completely into the ignition slot. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Then, continue turning it to the start position. You will hear the engine crank. As soon as the engine starts, release the key, and it will automatically return to the on position, ready for your drive. If your Mirage G4 features a convenient push-button start, the procedure is slightly different. First, make sure your smart key fob is present inside the vehicle. With your foot firmly pressing the brake pedal, simply press the engine start/stop button located on your dashboard. The engine will then ignite. If the key fob battery is low, you might need to hold the fob directly against the start button while pressing it to ensure it recognizes the signal. Sometimes, your Mirage G4 might not start immediately. A common issue is a weak battery, indicated by a rapid clicking sound or dim lights. If your key won't turn, try gently wiggling the steering wheel to release a potential steering lock. Always double-check that your transmission is fully engaged in park or neutral. For a flooded engine, press the accelerator pedal to the floor while cranking for about 5 to 10 seconds. These tips can often resolve minor starting hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.